Salam! Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I want to talk about shabe Yalda. Let's go! Okay, tonight is shabe Yalda, or in English, Yalda night. Shab night and Yalda is a proper noun. And it's a festival that family and friends gather together and celebrate it with each other. Before that, sorry for the light because outside it's raining and it's very dark outside, so I don't have a very good light here in my room. It's raining in Persian is dare barun miyad, dare barun miyad. So I apologize for that. As I said before, today is shabe Yalda, or the other name is shabe Chelle. Yalda night, Chelle night. Yalda is the longest and the darkest night of the year, according to the calendar, in Persian calendar, I mean. And this corresponds to the night of 21st of the December. In Iranian solar calendar, which in the next videos I will talk about months and days of the weeks, okay? In Iranian solar calendar, today is 30 Azar. 30 Azar is the last month of the season fall. So the last night of the 9th month of the year in Persian calendar is shabe Yalda. So as you know, people gather together, usually family and friends, and the youngest members of the family visit the oldest members of the family, and they enjoy from foods, fruits, sweets, nuts, and tell stories, read poems, and enjoy together. And usually people have some special fruits. For example, pomegranate and watermelon should be, and it's very significant, it's very important, you should have on this festival, you should have it on shabe Yalda. And the red color symbolizes the glow of life. Also, as I said, people read poems, especially poems of Hafiz or Ferdowsi, which is Shahnameh. And usually older members of the family tell stories. Read poems such as Hafiz or Ferdowsi is one of the most important traditional that we have in our festivals, in other festivals such as Nowruz, and usually most Iranians have these books in their bookcases. In ancient Iranian, on shabe Yalda, people were stay awake because they want to protect themselves from the evil or ahriman. So they were advised to stay awake and don't fall asleep. Therefore, they gather together and have nuts, fruits, foods, and they talk together, they tell stories, they read poems. So they wanted to find ways to pass the longest night of the year. Okay guys, tell me, do you have such traditions and festivals in your countries or no? And tell me what it's like and how do you celebrate them. Now I'm going to tell you the important phrases in this video in Persian. Let's see. Pomegranate, anar, anar. Watermelon, hindevane. In academic writing, hendune, hendune. Nuts, ajil, ajil. Sweets, shirini, shirini. Celebrate, جشن گرفتن, جشن گرفتن. Stay awake, بیدار ماندن, بیدار ماندن. Poems of Hafiz, اشعار حافظ. Tell a story, داستان گفتن, داستان گفتن. Read poem, شعر خواندن, شعر خواندن. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video and you stay away the longest day of the year also. See you in the next videos. Goodbye. Khadafez.